Alright, we are working on coordinate geometry 1A right now, on page 27. What we are doing here is we are working with our data table, so I want you to label this as a data table. And this data table is everything that is your data in a coordinate grid. So this data table has data from your coordinate grid. And as you can see, we have points R, S, and T, which are labeled here in my data table. What our job is to do is to find our X, which is first, and then our Y, which is second. So we go across first, so the X is across, and then our Y is up. Okay? We are first going across, and then we are going up. Okay. Point R is located where? We go across, we're at 2, so my X is 2, comma, and my Y going up is 1. R is located at, S. Go across, I'm here at 5, and then go up to 4. T is located all the way at my point of origin, and I'm here at 8, and I go up to 7. That is your data for this coordinate grid. Always remember that we are working in quadrant number 1, because these are positive numbers and these are positive numbers, right? Remember I explained that to you? From 0 going up to positive, from 0 going to the right to a positive, right? This 0 is called a what?
Origin.
Point of origin. Origin. Please go ahead and mark your point of origin would be your 0, 0. Letter B is the same type of question where we have our data table with no data, right? What is this called again? Data table. What is this called again? Coordinate grid. Very good. What are these called? Points. Or you can call them, and what are the numbers called? Once I get the numbers, what are those called? Ordered pairs. Very good. Ordered pairs. Or your coordinates also. You can also call them your coordinates, or you can call them your ordered pairs. Now, what do we start with first? The X, which goes across. So right here, right above this X, write an arrow that goes across. And for the Y, draw an arrow that goes up. Okay, these are for your notes, so that you'll have them from here on out. Okay, we start with our X. What point are we looking for? N. What do you notice about this line, though? Going straight. On which?
8.
Very good. But that's 8 what? That's 8 for your Y. Please don't think that your X is your... Right. But we know that our Y's are going to be all what? Because they all came up to the number what? 8. Because here is my line, and they are all on 8. So my Y is all going to be 8. So you can go ahead and fill in your Y's already, can't you? Okay? Our N, what is my X? 3. It's from my point of origin to the 3. My O?
6. 9.
And then the last one? 9. So this, does it have a pattern? 3, 8, 6, 8, 9, 8. We're moving over to the right how many?
3.
Really?
Oh, no.
From 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did we move?
3.
From 6 7, 8, 9. How many did we move? So what is my pattern? That I'm increasing to the right on my x-axis. I'm increasing on my x by how many? 3. What stays the same?
8.
My y-axis, right? Okay. Go ahead and work on C and D alone, and then you will compare yours to mine. Keep in mind though, your data table is completely filled out here. What they are asking you to do is take your data and fill it in up at the top. So remember, your x is across, your y is up. Yes. X goes across and your y is up. Okay, I've gone ahead and plotted my points. I plotted my j at 2 and then up 4. I plotted my k at 5 over and 10 up. And then I plotted my L at 7 over 3 up. Now, if I connect these, because if you notice this one on letter A, you had a steady what? A steady line going up. On letter B, you had a steady line going across, straight. This one, you actually, it doesn't make anything. What you would call this is you would call this an increase, because it's going up, right? And then what would you call the one going down then? A decrease. Very good. Okay? Increase and then a decrease. Yes. Yes, go ahead and do D by yourself. Okay, I've gone ahead and plotted my points on letter D. And if you notice for letter D, you have a straight up line because look, your X are all 6s. So when you come over here to the 6, you know you're going to stay on your 6. You're going to go up 2, up to 6, and then up to 10. And please make sure to go ahead and put your little arrows on your line that you created, because this is a never-ending line. It doesn't have endpoints. It just has points throughout. Okay? Alright, for homework, you have Coordinate Geometry 1B, pages 1 and 2. You have a total of 8 questions. Please make sure to do all 8. This right here goes for this bottom one. This one up here goes for this one. You have your data table on top, and then you have your coordinate grid right under it. Data table on top, coordinate grid right under it. If you look at number 1, data table goes with this one. If you need to, draw arrows. For number 3, for number 2, same thing. If you need to, draw lines across so that you know this is together, this is together, this is together, this one is together. On 1B, you're filling in your data table. On 2, you're filling in your coordinate grid. 3, you're filling in your data table. 4, you're filling in your grid. 5, your data table. 6, your grid. 7, your data table. 8, your grid. Please keep that in mind. This is for homework and it is due tomorrow. If you need extra help, the lesson Coordinate Geometry 1A is available online on my YouTube channel.